Good day, everybody. This is Rich and Katie down here on the river at Rich's River Smokers, West Virginia. Today, what we're going to do for you is going to be a chili collaboration with a channel on the Eastern North Carolina side of things called the Real Show, the Real Deal BBQ.
Yeah,
Hey, they'll keep on a Real Show. Found a new channel. Check him out. We're going to do a chili collaboration. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use some leftover prime rib, leftover from New Year's cook, and we're putting this chili. We'll bring you a little closer and let you know what we're working with. I brought you in a little closer. What we're going to do with this is going to be a lot of ingredients. What we're going to do is we're going to use a white onion and a orange pepper for that, and then we're going to use some. It's only going to be a half a pound of hamburger, and we got some. If I could pick the plate up. Some leftover prime rib we're going to put in there, and what we're going to do is a little salt and pepper, 2 cans of tomato puree, 1 can of tomato paste, a can of diced tomatoes, and a can of kidney beans, a stick of butter, and we're going to put some chili powder, a little bit of cayenne pepper, allspice, which I've never used in chili, Italian dressing, which I've never used in chili, and some lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all of our ingredients into the crock pot. We'll get back to you. Alright, we got all of our liquid ingredients in there. What we're going to do is we're going to brown up about a half a pound to a pound of hamburger, and we'll see when we dump our meat in. Alright, we got our ground beef browned up. We're going to show our meat in this delicious looking chili. First, we're going to put our beans in. A can of kidney beans drained. This is about, what do you think, Kathy? About a pound?
Yeah.
About a pound of ground beef, drained, and all over the counter or table. And here is, I don't know what this is, I'm going to say about a pound or 2 of our leftover prime rib from our New Year's Day dinner. I'll leave that link in the description box, or actually in the iCard. So we're going to get this stirred up, folks. We're leaving this thing cook on high for about 4 to 5 hours, and we'll see you then. All right, we're back. It's been about 2 hours, so we are gonna pop this and we'll give her a stir. We stirred her once already, but she wasn't cooking hard like this, so we're gonna go ahead and give her a pop. Bring our water off there. Man, this smells great, doesn't it, Katie? Where's Katie? Oh, she's not here, is she, Grace? Yeah. Well, that smells good, doesn't it? Oh man, look at that. That smells good, babe.
Yeah, it does smell really
Oh my God. We got the peppers and the onions and that prime rib and that hamburger. So, yeah, we're going to go ahead and leave this cook another 2 hours. And we're going to go ahead and serve it up with a little bit of cheese probably. So we'll see in 2 hours. And again, we'll just want to mention again, this chili cook here is in collaboration with the Real Show BBQ. Scott, go check him out. He has all kind of, I love his accent. He's got a strong drawl. I love it. So check him out. We'll see you back in a little bit. It's been 4 hours total. It's been 2 hours since I talked to you the last time. And this chili smells remarkable, doesn't it, Miss Kathy? Look at that. You got the prime rib in there. You got the vegetables, the beans. Just stir it up good. And folks, we're going to let this cool down. We're going to boil this up a little bit, and we'll get back to you with a taste test. Everybody back. The chili is done. It's cooled down. And take a look at that stuff. It has really come a long way. That prime rib in there.
It melts in your mouth. It's delicious.
Yeah, we're going to get a nice spoonful of this. We'll do a taste test. And we'll get on with it. It's still hot. Oh, it's hot. Oh, wow. You get the richness from that beef and that prime rib and the tomato sauce and some of that puree had some basil. The lemon juice, you can get almost everything, and a little bit of heat on the back from the Cayenne. They're phenomenal. I'll leave the recipe in the description box. Hit show more, and remember, check out Scott's video. I'll leave it up here in the iCard from the Real Show. Yeah, the Real Show BBQ. Got it right that time. And so check him out. Show him some love. Real good guy on Eastern North Carolina side. So again, Real Show BBQ. Check out his video. Again, guys, try this recipe out. Share it with your friends and family. Hit that like and subscribe button. And when you're sharing, make sure you tell them that the best barbecue comes from the river. And we'll see you on the next one.